persons who may be charged jointly. Jointly charged persons list is said in section 223 of CrPC. Here it includes the persons accused of. There are to make charges jointly. Number one, same offence committed in the same course of transaction. That is number one. Number two, an offence of abetment of or attempt to commit an offence. Number three, more than one offence within the meaning of section 219. More than one offence within the meaning of section 219. What we said in 219, within the meaning of 219. More than one offence is within the meaning of 219. Number four, different offences committed in the course of the same transaction. Different offences committed in the course of same transaction. In the same transaction, different offences. That is said here. Number five, an offence which includes the theft, extortion, cheating, criminal misappropriation, and persons accused of receiving or retaining or assisting in the disposal of or concealment of properly possessions of which is alleged to have been transferred by, and such offence committed by the first named person or of abetment of or attempting to commit any such last named offence. First named persons, that means who have a name and fame. The person can influence the last named persons to do the crime. Such kind of offences also included section 223. 6 says like this. An offence under section 214 and 414 of the IPC, not CrPC, IPC one, are either of those sections in respect of the stolen property, the possession of which has been transferred by such offenders. This is said in section any offence under chapter 12 of the IPC, 45 of 1860, relating to the counterfeit kind or persons accused of any other offence under the said chapter relating to the same kind or of abetment of or attempting to commit any such offence, and the provisions contained in the former part of this chapter shall so as may be apply to the such charges charged with separate charges. They do not fall within the section 223. They any apply in writing to the magistrate or court of sessions of the as the case may be, and the magistrate or court of sessions upon the satisfaction of the court, the case would not be prejudiced, may try all such persons together. Jointly they are charged. Such kind of provisions. The provisions regarding the exceptions to the basic rule mentioned in section 219, 220, 221 and 223 are only enabling in nature. According to the nature only, they have to be charged jointly. There are basic exceptions also. It is the discretion of the court whether to apply these exceptions and try the charges jointly or not. In the case of Ranchod Lal versus State of Madhya Pradesh, it was held that it is the discretion of the court whether to allow the joinder of charges or not. Upon the accused to resort to this right. Like this way, section 223 have 7 subsections how to make charges jointly, and the basic rules and exceptions to the basic rules said here in the case also in Ranchod Lal versus State of MP.